From Suburban Estates, an exclusive property for you in Florida, Osceola County. 100 Halapaw Groves Road, St. Cloud, Florida 34771. The location is a real advantage. Off-grid living, solar power, horseback riding, camping paradise. It provides 2,500 square meters of living space. The price is $175,000. Experience the freedom of off-grid living on this beautiful 2.5-acre property. Equipped with a complete solar power system, lithium batteries, and UV water filtration. This home is ready for independent living. The modern one-bedroom home features quality finishes, an open layout, and a relaxing screened porch. With plenty of outdoor space, useful outbuildings, and endless opportunities for adventure, this is the perfect retreat for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Don't miss this opportunity. For details and viewings, Suburban Estates is always at your service. Call now 0321 361 8836. We would be delighted to show you around in person.